Hey, it's Rosie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I like to refresh my second day curls using DevaCurl's Ultra Defining Gel. I'm going to walk you through side by side the demonstration so that I can give you insights and tips as to why I'm using the particular steps I'm using to achieve my second day curls. Keep watching. First thing that I do when I wake up in the morning is to assess myself. And that's been a really great overall wellness tip. And the body is different every day. So is the mind, the spirit, the soul, and how we feel emotionally and mentally is going to change every day. So try to think about like, how am I feeling today? And if I'm feeling low, if I'm feeling lazy and tired, then that might mean that I won't do anything to my hair. But if I feel like, today's a day where I can really maximize on my energy and achieve my best, that would also include that I will want to look my best. And then I decide that I'm going to completely refresh my hair. You might decide that you'll lightly spritz your hair with some water to reactivate the product. But for me personally, I just find that completely re-wetting my hair is the way to go. So to do that, I do like to divide my hair into two sections from left and right. And I'll spray water onto my hair, and I'll use one hand to hold the bottle and the second hand to detangle my hair and distribute the water evenly throughout my hair. In order for me to determine that my hair is completely drenched the way that it needs to be, you hear a squishing sound as you're scrunching up your hair. That's when you know you have enough product, or when you know you have enough water in your hair. So you can see it's already divided into two from left to right. What I'll do next is I will take a trusted large hair clip like this one, and I will divide my hair again from top and bottom. So once I get that going, I'll have my hair in four sections. Now we're finally coming to the moment where I'm going to add product into my hair. To do so, I am using the DevaCurl Ultra Defining Gel. When I'm distributing the product into my hair, I'm scrunching it all the way up to my scalp, and then I'm pulsing. That is another key that I've learned that's been really helpful. Pulsing, and I count probably up to 10 times of pulsing. That seems to help with achieving better curl results. And I do it just with both my hands, and then I do it on the right side of my hair, and then I do it on the left side of my hair, again counting up to 10, and that has definitely been a game changer. Once I'm done distributing and pulsing the product into my curls, the next thing to do is to soak up the excess water, and I will use a trusty 100% cotton t-shirt. And it's very similar to how what I was doing earlier when I was distributing the product into my hair. I will cup the t-shirt into the palm of my hands, and again I'm bringing the curls back up to my scalp, and I'm pulsing again with the t-shirt, and that helps with soaking up the water but also encouraging the curl clumping at this point. For my diffuser, I am using warm air on low settings. Always low settings, because if you put it on a higher setting and you have the air blasting into your face and into your hair, that will potentially cause frizz in your hair, and you definitely want to reduce the frizz. So for sure, always low settings. And then in terms of the temperature of the air, it really depends on you and what you find is most comfortable. For me, and when it comes to gel, specifically just gel, I use warm settings in my hair to diffuse. Next thing I'll do is assess how dry my hair is, and if I feel that it's very near to being dry, I use the DevaCurl A Beautiful Mess Curl Sculpting Pomade. And this particular product helps with the scrunching out the crunch, which I've mentioned a couple of times in my social what that is, and basically releasing the gel cast from your hair. And I use this pomade to do that with, but I also simultaneously, while I'm releasing the gel cast from the gel itself, this helps texturize and add more definition to your hair. It's a pretty thick pomade what I'll do is I'll just scoop a finger's worth of the pomade into the palm of my hand, emulsify it, and then start scrunching out the crunch of my hair and just trying to distribute the product evenly throughout the rest of my hair. And that has definitely given me some texture and bounce that I haven't seen before in my hair, and I really have enjoyed using that product. Once I feel like my hair is near to dry, I will finish off with a cool shot. And that is my curly hair second day refresh using the ultra defining gel as well as the curl sculpting pomade from DevaCurl. I'd love to hear more about how you've used any of these products into your curly hair routine and what you liked or didn't like about it. Comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching.